guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you are new here, welcome. My channel is just a bunch of random videos of my crazy life, and it is almost 11:30. This video is just going to be this look. I planned on it being something completely different. It was just gonna be a spring look, and the colors I was doing just were not showing up on camera. Whoa, we're not showing up on camera, so I decided to go all out. So if you guys are interested in seeing what products I used and all that crazy jazz, and me testing out the Huda Beauty, however you want to say it, the Nude palette. So it's basically like a little review, first try, first impressions. I tell you guys if I liked it or if I hated it at the end. So if you guys are curious on what I think about it, I'm gonna hop off here. I'm gonna go take my makeup off and I'm gonna put them to bed, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Stop trying to lick me, oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get on with it. So let's go. To get started, I'm going to go in with my Destroyed Baby Skin from Maybelline. It's the Instant Pore Eraser. So I just go in with this first. I don't do foundation first. I never have. I just don't like the way it looks. I have too much fallout. So I just put that all over the skin, and then I just rub it all in. I let that sit while I'm doing my eyeshadow. I just have a lot of fallout, so that's what I do. So now I'm going to go in with a beauty blender, and I am going to take my Milani Make It Last setting spray. I love this stuff. And I'm just going to spray my beauty blender with it. Did that get all over your face? Can you go away? I'm going to take my Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. I'm just going to, ew, put that on my eye. Did that get in your nose? And then I am just going to dab that in. I normally get my beauty blenders wet, but Kevin is sleeping because it is 9:53. And he has to be at work in the morning. I did not have time to film earlier. So after that is done, I go in with a powder. I just don't know where it's at right now. 35 in from Morphe. Gosh, I can't talk. And I'm just gonna go in with the second shade. I'm actually gonna go in with that same beauty blender on a not so damp side and just tap that on and press it into the eyelid. Moisture, I guess, in a way. My cheeks look so more rosier on camera than what they actually are in person. Like, I always look like I have a mask on, and I literally look like I have no lashes at all. Okay, so after that, I'm going to take my E27 from Morphe, which it just looks like this. Really big, fluffy brush. And with that same 35 in, I'm gonna take the third color down, which is like a peachy tone. It doesn't even look like I have anything on my eyelids. Oh well. I swear I just heard something outside. Oh, it's a bug. It literally scared me. What's going on with my camera? Sorry if the lighting changes and the picture changes. I'm gonna go with my Huda Beauty, my Nude palette, and I'm gonna go in with Secret with the same brush. And I'm just gonna go over exactly what I did the first time. Just blend it out. Oh gosh, there's so many cars going by. I think I need to get a new camera because this looks like it's orange on my eyelids. So I'm gonna take my Nude palette again from Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna go in with, let's do Teddy. Tone it down just a little. And then I'm going to try and keep this down on my lower lid. I need a different brush. Okay, I'm gonna take the E22 from Morphe, and then with Teddy again, like I was just doing, I'm gonna keep it on my lid. but we're still gonna be doing those windshield wiper motions, just like we were before. And then I'm gonna take it up just a little bit on the flatter side and blend it up. That looks a lot toned down. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with, I can't see my brushes. I should just bring them right in front of me. Now I'm gonna go in with M330, so it looks like this. You can see, it's just a fluffy brush. It's not as stiff. Let's go in with Tickle, really lightly. I'm just gonna go right in the middle of the crease and up on top of the lid. Or onto the eyebrow bone, whatever it is. And then I'm going, hey! Stop! And then I'm going to take the E17, which looks like that. It's just a more fluffier brush, but it's a little bit more firm. And I'm gonna take the Ultimate palette from NYX. We're gonna go in with this pink shade. These dogs, I swear. If they wake Kevin up, he's gonna be so mad. I guess I could probably explain to you guys what I'm doing. So I am going in on the corners of my eyes and kind of just going in a circle and then blend it out. Just so we get that pink effect in there, because my camera is not showing any colors. And then I'm just gonna blend it in between. I don't know what is going on with my camera. Now I'm gonna go in with, just throwing stuff now, M433 from Morphe, and I'm not gonna put any color on it because I'm just gonna blend everything out that I already have on my lid. I'm just gonna go in and blend all of that together. And then I kind of want to take Spanked from the Nude palette with that brush I just had, there's hair in my mouth, the M433, just really lightly go over everything. Ooh, it's starting to look better. It actually looks like what I planned it to look like. Second time I decided to change the look I was going for. Now I'm just going to take that brush that I was just using and just blend everything out, because we don't want no lines. No lines. No lines today. Okay. So that, I think I'm done with that eye. Kind of want to go in with one more color. What colors we got here? Let's go in with, so this kind of looks pink, or kind of looks red. It's not that red. I'm going to go in really lightly with it, with that same brush, and just go over everything. There we go. Now it's starting to lighten up and turn the color I want, not this burgundy color. Oh my gosh, why are there so many people out right now? Like, it's 10 o'clock. Go home. Go to bed. That's where I should be right now. But we're filming because we're dedicated now. We're more dedicated. And I have to upload tomorrow because I told you guys I would. Okay, now I'm just throwing everything. Ow. Now I'm going to go in with the E27 Morphe brush. That's the very first brush that I use. Just blend this out because it looks really, really harsh right here. We don't want it to look like we got a black or purple eye. Okay. I think that's, it looks more pink in camera, and in person it looks kind of like purple. That's what I don't understand at all. Now I'm kind of just like blending everything. So now I'm just gonna brush this on my arm. Really just all I ever do. So while my whole life is trying to like figure out what it's trying to do with its life, I'm gonna go in with that E27, and I'm gonna take Lace from the Nude palette, the Huda Beauty. We're just gonna go over my whole eyelid. This better not look pink, or I'm literally gonna lose my mind. Okay, let me clean this brush a little bit more, because if this turns out pink on my eyelid, I'm going to bed. I'm not even gonna finish this. Okay, we're just gonna go over it. We're gonna just do windshield wiper motions. You can literally see all the kickback flying around in the air. It's driving me nuts. That's one thing I hate about palettes. some of them have a lot of kickback. So I am done with this color for now because it's not even like showing up on camera. What's new? So I'm gonna take I really like this brush. This brush is like doing me good. It's not like doing me bad. I keep getting distracted. So now I'm gonna go back with my NYX palette and I'm gonna take the lightest purple that they have in there. Just gonna run my brush all in it. And then I am going to just do windshield wiper motions again. Coda, lay down, please. You're stressing me out, dude. Okay, yep, that's starting to show up. I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing. And then next I'm gonna go in with my Morphe, that 35N palette. And I'm gonna do, just kidding, I'm gonna stick with this one. I'm gonna go in with the second lightest purple. Ooh, that's like neon purple. Does it show up? Yeah. And I'm just going to pack that on my eyelid. And I hope it like encourages you guys to try bright colors. Like I used to wear, I did pink and orange one time on one eyelid, like pink on this eye and orange on this eye. Like I used to do that all the time, but I don't really go anywhere now, so I don't as much. But I love trying new things. So enough talk about that. I'm gonna take the 35N and I'm gonna take this purple shade. I'm gonna stay in my crease. With this side, I'm just gonna stay in my crease. And then I'm gonna blend it up just a little bit, so there's no harsh lines. I look crazy. So I just went ahead and brushed my brush off just a little bit. So I'm gonna go back in with my NYX Ultimate palette. If I can open it, I just probably give myself a double chin. And I'm gonna go in with the darkest purple. I'm gonna really focus that on the outside of my corner and in my crease zone. And then I'm gonna go in my crease just a little bit. And then I'm going to blend that up. And I'm going to blend it out. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my tiny little brush from Morphe. It's the M213. I'm gonna do a cut crease. Okay, so I did like a really different type of cut crease. Didn't really turn out exactly how I wanted it, but it's fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that little bitty brush that I was just using. I'm gonna wet it with my setting spray. Then I'm gonna take, that was like not enough. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty, the Nude palette, and I'm gonna go in with Excite, which is just all pure glitter. I'm going to dab that into my cut crease. I might as well just go all out with this look. I've never used these before, and I don't know how, sorry, it's like really hard for me to talk and do my own makeup. I don't know how I feel about it. I just feel like this is all just gonna fall off my eyelid. I don't know, I could totally be using it wrong. It's just literally like straight glitter. So we're done with that eye. So I'm still taking that little brush that I have. And I'm gonna go over my concealer. I hope you guys can see. Hopefully this makes it tacky and doesn't let the glitter fall. Yeah, I gotta practice on that certain cut crease because that don't look very good. Now I'm gonna go in with Faded. I don't know what that even says, to be honest. And then I'm just gonna tap it on. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I don't know the one thing. Like, and now I just feel like there's a crap ton of like glue on my eyelid. Alright, now it's starting to show up after like 10 layers. Okay. Guess this is as good as it's gonna get. Because it's like 11 o'clock now and I'm tired. That's a lot of glitter. That's a lot of glitter. Okay, I'm gonna do my lashes off camera and then I'll be right back. So I just went ahead and, sorry that took me like, I feel like I've been going forever. My chest and arms are not this white in person. I went ahead and just did everything else off camera because it is 11:17 and I'm tired. my final thoughts on this palette, I think it actually turned out pretty good. I mean, it's super late. If I had more time to play with it than what I have, I think that it actually turned out really good. I'm definitely gonna have to play with it a little bit more than just doing what I did tonight. I mean, I think it turned out pretty good. Definitely if you're trying makeup for the first time and this is the first palette you decided to get to practice with, make sure you definitely practice with the glitters before you get ready to go somewhere, because it does take time, I think, at least for people to get used to them. But overall, I think it was pretty good. The glitters, I wish they were a little tackier, not just compact glitters. I mean, it's not super loose, just like a regular loose glitter, but it's not patchy. It's not like falling off on my face like I actually thought it was going to because of the way it was falling off my brush. I'd give this, out of a 1 out of 10, I'd give it about an 8.5. I don't know. Actually, pretty freaking good. They look super pretty from what I can tell. I mean, it's like 11:30 and I'm really tired. I want to, ew, gross. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. If you guys have any questions, or something on my lip, if you guys have any questions about any of the products that I used or anything, go ahead and comment down below. Ask away, I'll answer. Yeah, this is the end of the video, and I will see you guys next time. I'm about to lose my mind. I'm so freaking tired. Get down. No. Go. Get down. Bye. Have a good night. Time to take this makeup off. Ew. Ew. I'm going to bed. Time to take this shit off. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna look so good. Don't forget to subscribe. It'll be right here. I'll put this at the end. Click right here. Just click it and subscribe. And then right here is gonna be my playlist of all my videos as I colored my boyfriend's dog's hair pink. That's a really good one. Pretty sure my mukbang's in there. If you guys like watching people eat, go watch it. I know, you're tired. Click it. Click them both. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.